The problem is to solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. We use the factoring formula for quadratic equations, which states that x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 can be factored as x minus p times x minus q equals 0, where p plus q equals negative b over a, and p times q equals c over a. Here, since a equals 1, p plus q equals 5, and p times q equals 6, we need to find two numbers p and q such that their sum is 5 and their product is 6. The numbers 2 and 3 satisfy these conditions because 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 2 times 3 equals 6. Therefore, we can factor the quadratic as x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0. By the zero product property, either x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Solving these simple equations gives x equals 2 or x equals 3. Thus, the solutions to the equation are x equals 2 or x equals 3. Start with the quadratic equation. We need two numbers whose sum is 5 and whose product is 6. The pair 2 and 3 satisfies both conditions, so the quadratic factors into two linear factors. Set each factor equal to 0 to get the two solutions.